Let's make a Patriotic snow globe pen. First, disassemble your pen and remove the plug from the barrel. Then use the stand that came with the kit, and we're going to use Magic Flow Original Formula and some polymer clay pieces. So you're going to alternate between the Magic Flow solution and your clay to make sure that all of the clay is encompassed in that solution. This will prevent more air bubbles in your finished pen. Then you're going to shake it up to make sure that all the clay pieces are coated evenly with the Magic Flow solution. I'm topping it off with just a tiny bit of sparkle, and I'm also shaking that up. Once that's done, we're going to go ahead and put the plug in from the side to ensure that we don't have many air bubbles or any air pockets at all inside. Then once the barrel is finished, we are going to move on to the base of our pen, which we are going to use a fun little pen wrap for. I am going to disassemble the pen barrel at the bottom and gently peel back the backing on the decal and use our pen roller tool to make sure that it's nice and straight and roll that decal all the way around that barrel. Next, we're going to go ahead and seal this up with some UV resin skim coat. This is the best formula for pens. It has the best protection against yellowing, and it's super smooth and super glossy. Once you have that on, we're going to put that into the Magic Cure with our pen tray and 360 cure for 120 seconds at 48 watts. And this is what it looks like when it's done. It's so pretty. Go ahead and put the bottom of the pen into the barrel, and then we're just going to snap on that snow globe top right into the pen, and this is what the finished pen looks like. These are so easy to make. I hope you guys enjoy making them.